am water. You see me all around you. I have neither shape nor color. I take my colors from the place I live in. You have seen me in chest and legs. There I have a light blue color. You have seen me dancing along a rabbit stream. There I have a silver color. You have seen me sailing in the sky as clouds. There I draw my colors from the sun. I am white, I am grey and orange and gold and sunset. But you love me when I am in the water bottle that you carry to school. You love me when I help you to remain clean, fearless and beautiful. I help you to grow your plants and trees. I bring light to the world for you. So, my dear friends, I need your help. I need your love. I don't like to be polluted with dirty things. I don't like to be wasted. You must help me to remain clean and healthy. I promise to be the same for you.